All right, everyone, welcome to 629 West 138th Street, up in the Upper West Side of Manhattan. Today, we're going to be taking a tour of apartment 43. This is going to be a 3-bed, 1-bath, 4th floor walk-up. Okay, so as soon as you walk in, as you can tell, we have the kitchen here. Absolutely no shortage of storage. You have a lot of cabinet space here. Gas range stove, which a lot of people really love. Built-in microwave, and you also get a dishwasher. Nice deep sink as well, okay? You have some prep space here and a large window in which you can entertain any guests or any company that you may have. All right, you get a nice large window there as well. And there goes your refrigerator. So let's make our way over to the living space. Here's gonna be your common area, your living space. You have a nice ceiling fan there. Some of the internet and all of the boxes are already here. Just need to call to get that set up. All right, pretty spacious. And one of my favorite features of this apartment is that you get the in-unit washer and dryer. All right, they're stacked units, so it's nice and compact right in there. Now we're gonna go into one of the first bedrooms here. This is the smallest bedroom in the apartment. This bedroom here, you're gonna get a full-size bed, nice and comfortably. Okay, and you get some storage right up above the closet. And here is your closet space. Now we'll come over, this is going to be the biggest bedroom. I would consider this the master. Here you can get a queen size bed comfortably. You get two large windows. All right, similar closet setup where you have the build out for some storage up top. And then you also have a large closet there. All right, again, we're gonna cut through the living space, bypass the kitchen here, and we will check out the bathroom. So here's your bathroom, nice and bright, super clean. I really love the tile work here, kind of giving it like a stone finish there. So you have storage up above in the cabinet space, in the medicine cabinet, and then you also have storage down below, which is great. All right, for those of you that love windows in your shower for some ventilation, you have that as well. Here's your third bedroom. All right, this is, I would say you'll probably get a full-size bed in here as well. Okay, similar storage up top, and you also the same closet down below. All right, so that's the apartment, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. We will be doing some more tours soon. So again, this is a 3-bed, 1-bath, located on 629 West 138th Street. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. My contact information will be in the description. Look forward to hearing from you. And again, this is Picasso signing off.